You look very happy and excited today.
Hello, Brainy. Yes, I am really excited. Today, I will measure my height after 1 year.
Nice. Well, go on then.
Wow, I grew 3 inches last year.
Incredible. You're a growing machine. But have you ever wondered, how does that work?
I eat my vegetables.
That's part of it. But there's super cool science happening inside you right now. And we call it the science of growing up.
I can't wait to learn.
To understand growing, we need to shrink down, way down, to your cells. Your body is made of trillions of tiny blocks called cells. They're like microscopic Lego pieces that make you.
Whoa, I'm made of Legos?
In a way, and here's the magic. Cells can make more cells. It's called cell division. 1 becomes 2, 2 become 4, and that's how you grow!
So my cells are copying themselves?
Exactly, like a photocopier for life.
But what do cells need to divide?
Cells need energy. Let's test it. We will use these 2 plants. Plant B gets sunlight and water. And plant A gets nothing.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Let's fast forward 1 week. So plant B will grow bigger. And plant A will stay tiny. See, cells need fuel. For plants, sun plus water. For you, food plus sleep.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Sleep is when your body builds.
Hello, Hearty.
Hey, Alex! Hello, Brainy. I heard you guys talking about the science of growing. You know, we don't just grow outside. Your brain grows when you learn. And your heart grows when you make new friends.
So I'm growing in lots of ways.
Exactly. Every day you're becoming more you. So remember, cells divide, food, sleep, and friendship fuel growth, and we grow smarter and kinder.
Do you want to learn how to make new friends?
Yes, that would be great.
Remember what happened with Sam last week?
Yes, he wasn't letting me swing.
Let's take his example to learn how we can make new friends.
Hey, Sam, move away from the swing. It's my turn.
No, I just started swinging. You should come later.
Hearty, my friend Sam won't share the swing. And now I don't know what to do.
Oh, friendship problems feel tricky, but they're like math problems.
Math problems? I love those!
We can solve this with the friendship formula. Every friendship needs 3 things. First, K for kindness.
Kindness means sharing, helping, and using kind words.
Second, L for listening. Not just hearing, but really listening.
In communication science, active listening.
Third, R for respect. Respecting space, feelings, and turns.
The complete formula! In math, variables can change value. If K is low, friendship isn't balanced. But when all are high, strong friendship.
So friendship is like a math equation?
Exactly! Let's test it!
Welcome to the 3 friendship experiments!
Scenario 1. high K, low L, and low R. High kindness, but no listening. Result, frustration. Scenario 2. Low K, high L, and low R. Listening but interrupting personal space.
Result, discomfort.
Scenario 3. High K, L, and R. Now all variables balanced.
Kindness plus listening plus respect. Result, successful friendship. Like a chemical reaction, all elements needed.
So for the swing problem, kindness. I'll offer to push when my friend swings. Listening. I'll hear what they say. Respect. I'll wait my turn patiently.
Let's see it in action.
Hello, Sam. Can I swing?
I want 5 more minutes.
Okay, I hear you want 5 more minutes. I'll wait right here for my turn.
Actually, you can have it now.
Awesome! I am really excited to swing.
The formula worked.
Experimental evidence confirms.
So friendship isn't magic.
It's a formula you can learn.
And like all good formulas, it works every time.
Remember, kindness, listening, and respect. Share your formula story in comments.